VKTX stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday is Viking Therapeutics stock or buy. Well, I'll be breaking this down in this quick and short 1-minute video. Now here's the thing, with this thing going down 42 freaking %, this is absolute madness. I myself having done well over 45,000 videos, 5 years of experience, spending tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors, and documenting everything of seeing what's working and what's not. So how my idea looked like pre-market was, yeah, sure, like if the price was sitting around here, I was like, if we open up here, I'm looking to take it further up. And then right before we open, like right before market open, boom, that's where we can. 42% down, it's absolute madness. But let's not play like I was not bearish before then as well, right? Like, here's my +4R win that I called out on the bearish side at that given time. It was like a phenomenal timing 5 months ago. Well, since then, you know, since we fell down, I'm here to tell you that, like, I don't have high hopes right now for VKTX. It was not just like a win. I also had like a stop loss hit right here just recently. So a win and a loss, which still puts me at the +3R. But after this freaking crash, it just meant the sheer freaking volume and the likeliness that this thing just kind of keeps melting down is high. It's not that I'm going to randomly sell or anything, but it's just that if the price gives me the double break, I'm looking to take it down. I'm waiting for rules like I did before. So if you want to get free stock picks, emails, and insights sent out to you daily, click the first link in the description. It's free.